Imagine a world where energy scarcity is a distant memory. Picture a future where the air is clean, the climate stable, and the threat of energy crises banished forever. This is the promise of fusion power, a revolutionary technology with the potential to transform human civilization and usher in an era of unprecedented prosperity. Fusion, the very process that powers the stars, holds the key to unlocking a future of limitless clean energy here on Earth. This is not a utopian dream, but a tangible possibility within our grasp. Scientists and engineers around the globe are working tirelessly to make fusion power a reality. The journey is challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. With fusion power, we can secure a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. At its core, fusion is the process of combining light atomic nuclei, such as isotopes of hydrogen, to form heavier ones, such as helium. This process releases tremendous amounts of energy, far greater than what is released through fission, the process used in current nuclear power plants. Fusion is the engine that drives the stars, including our own sun. It is the source of their immense energy output. Unlike fission, which produces hazardous radioactive waste, fusion reactions produce minimal waste products, primarily helium, an inert and harmless gas. Moreover, fusion reactions cannot sustain a chain reaction, making a meltdown impossible. Fusion power plants would be inherently safe, with no risk of catastrophic accidents. This makes fusion a fundamentally different and superior form of nuclear power. The quest to harness fusion power here on Earth is one of the grandest scientific and engineering challenges ever undertaken. At the forefront of this effort are projects like ITER and the National Ignition Facility, NIF. ITER, the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, is a massive collaborative project involving 35 nations. Located in southern France, ITER aims to demonstrate the feasibility of fusion power by producing 500 megawatts of fusion power for sustained periods. Meanwhile, the National Ignition Facility in California utilizes a different approach, using powerful lasers to achieve fusion ignition. Both projects are making significant strides, pushing the boundaries of our understanding and bringing us closer to the dream of commercially viable fusion power. Section 4. A clean energy revolution, the benefits of fusion. The successful development of fusion power holds the potential to revolutionize our world. Fusion power plants would offer a plethora of benefits, addressing some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity. Fusion reactions do not produce greenhouse gases, making fusion power a carbon-neutral energy source. This would be a game-changer in the fight against climate change. Furthermore, the fuel for fusion, isotopes of hydrogen, is virtually limitless. Deuterium can be extracted from seawater, and tritium can be produced from lithium, a readily available element. Section 5. Exploring the frontiers of energy alternatives to fusion. While fusion power holds immense promise, it is not the only path to a clean energy future. Scientists and engineers are exploring a range of alternative energy sources, each with its own unique potential and challenges. Antimatter power, though still in the realm of science fiction, offers the tantalizing possibility of extracting unimaginable amounts of energy from minuscule amounts of matter. Space-based solar power envisions capturing solar energy in space and transmitting it wirelessly to Earth, providing a constant and reliable source of renewable energy. Quantum batteries, still in their infancy, could potentially store vast amounts of energy in extremely compact devices. Artificial photosynthesis, inspired by nature's own energy conversion process, seeks to replicate the way plants convert sunlight into chemical energy. Section 6. Illuminating the future fusion power and the fate of humanity. The road to achieving commercial fusion power is long and arduous, fraught with scientific and engineering hurdles. However, the progress made in recent decades, coupled with the unwavering dedication of researchers worldwide, gives us reason for optimism. Private companies are also joining the race, injecting innovation and urgency into the field. The challenges are formidable, but the potential rewards are too great to ignore. Fusion power represents a beacon of hope, a testament to human ingenuity, and a chance to secure a brighter future for all. It is a goal worth striving for, a challenge worthy of our greatest efforts. With continued investment, collaboration, and determination, we can unlock the power of the stars and illuminate the future of humanity. GAP 3S, Section 7. The challenges of fusion power. Despite the promise of fusion power, the journey to make it a practical and reliable energy source is beset with challenges. The conditions required for fusion are extreme, necessitating temperatures hotter than the core of the sun and immense pressures. Containing such reactions demands advanced materials and technologies that can withstand these harsh environments. Additionally, the economic cost of building and maintaining fusion reactors is significant, requiring substantial investment and international collaboration. While innovations continue to push the boundaries, the road ahead is uncertain. Technical setbacks, funding issues, and regulatory hurdles are just a few of the obstacles that must be overcome. Nevertheless, the relentless pursuit of fusion power is driven by the vision of a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. The challenges are immense, but the potential benefits make every effort worthwhile. As we push forward, we must remain vigilant, adaptable, and committed to overcoming these hurdles, for the promise of fusion power is too vital to abandon. As we navigate the labyrinth of challenges in fusion power, the future of fusion research gleams with promise and potential. The scientific community is united in its quest, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. From innovative reactor designs to breakthroughs in plasma containment, each step forward brings us closer to realizing the dream of boundless clean energy. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and advanced materials science are playing pivotal roles. AI-driven simulations are optimizing reactor designs, while new materials are being engineered to withstand the extreme conditions of fusion reactions. International partnerships, such as those between ITER and private ventures, are fostering a collaborative spirit that accelerates progress. Looking ahead, the roadmap for fusion research is both ambitious and inspiring. Pilot plants are being designed, aiming to demonstrate the viability of fusion power within the next few decades. These efforts are not just about energy, they're about safeguarding our planet, ensuring energy security and paving the way for a sustainable future. The journey is arduous, but the destination is a world transformed by a revolutionary energy source. With each innovation and every collaborative effort, we are one step closer to turning the vision of fusion power into reality. The future of fusion research is not just a scientific endeavor, it's a beacon of hope for humanity. Imagine a world where fusion power has become an integral part of our daily lives. From the moment you wake up, everything around you is powered by clean, limitless energy. Your home is efficiently heated, your electric car charges in minutes, and your smart devices run seamlessly, all thanks to fusion power. Public transportation systems are revolutionized, with fusion-powered trains and buses providing fast, reliable, and eco-friendly travel options. Cities are illuminated by a sustainable energy grid, reducing pollution and improving air quality. Even rural areas, once plagued by energy scarcity, now thrive with abundant power supplies. Fusion energy extends beyond just electricity. It powers advanced water desalination plants, providing fresh water to arid regions, and fuels cutting-edge medical technologies, enabling breakthroughs in healthcare. The agricultural sector benefits too, with fusion-powered systems ensuring food security and efficient resource management. In this world, the threat of climate change is significantly diminished, as fusion power drastically reduces carbon emissions. Economic stability is enhanced, as energy costs plummet and new industries emerge, creating jobs and fostering innovation. Fusion power in everyday life means a cleaner, healthier, and more prosperous future for all. It's not just a technological advancement, it's a transformative force for global well-being. The dream of fusion power isn't just about energy, it's about creating a better world for generations to come. As fusion power becomes a reality, its impact reverberates across the globe, transforming societies in profound ways. Nations once dependent on fossil fuels find new independence and stability, as energy becomes both abundant and affordable. Geopolitical tensions ease as the scramble for limited resources diminishes. Developing countries leapfrog into an era of prosperity, bypassing traditional energy infrastructures. With fusion power, they can build modern, sustainable cities from the ground up, fostering economic growth and improving the quality of life for millions. Global health sees remarkable advancements, as clean energy reduces pollution-related diseases and powers advanced medical research. Education flourishes, with schools and universities equipped with state-of-the-art technology, accessible to all. Environmental restoration becomes a global mission. Fusion-powered technologies enable large-scale projects to clean oceans, reforest lands, and restore ecosystems. The fight against climate change gains new momentum, with fusion energy at the forefront of the battle. In this new world, humanity stands united, driven by a shared vision of a sustainable, equitable future. The dream of fusion power is not just about solving energy problems, it's about unlocking the potential for unprecedented global harmony and progress. Fusion power heralds a new era, where the well-being of our planet and its inhabitants is the ultimate priority. This is the promise of fusion, a brighter, more connected world for generations to come. As we stand on the brink of a fusion-powered future, the environmental benefits are monumental. Unlike fossil fuels, fusion produces no greenhouse gases, significantly reducing our carbon footprint. Imagine a world where air pollution is a thing of the past, where the skies are clear and the air we breathe is pure. Fusion power also eliminates the hazardous waste associated with nuclear fission, offering a cleaner, safer alternative for energy production. With fusion, we can power large-scale environmental restoration projects, from reforesting devastated lands to cleaning our oceans. The energy required for these massive undertakings becomes readily available, making once impossible tasks achievable. Fusion technology can also drive innovations in sustainable agriculture, providing the energy needed to power advanced irrigation systems, vertical farms, and other green technologies. This means more food production with less environmental impact, helping to feed a growing global population sustainably. In a fusion-powered world, the synergy between advanced energy and environmental stewardship becomes the cornerstone of our civilization. The promise of fusion power is not just in its ability to provide endless energy, but in its potential to harmonize our existence with the natural world, ensuring a sustainable and thriving planet for future generations. As we look to the future, the road ahead for fusion power is both challenging and exhilarating. The journey to make fusion a part of our everyday lives is marked by groundbreaking research, international collaboration, and relentless innovation. Scientists and engineers worldwide are pushing the boundaries, turning what was once science fiction into a tangible reality. In the coming decades, we can expect to see fusion power plants becoming operational, providing clean, limitless energy to cities and communities across the globe. The transition won't be without obstacles, but the potential rewards are immense. From reducing our dependence on fossil fuels to combating climate change, the positive impact of fusion power is immeasurable. Governments, private companies, and academic institutions are all playing a crucial role in this endeavor. Massive investments in research and development are paving the way for new technologies and methodologies that will make fusion power not only viable, but also economically feasible. The road ahead may be long, but with determination and global cooperation, the dream of harnessing fusion energy is within our grasp. The promise of a brighter, more sustainable future is not just a distant hope, but a vision we are actively working towards every day. Join us on this journey as we continue to explore, innovate, and strive for a world powered by the stars.